Hello everyone, just wanted to do a short video. I have some time here. Power's out, so you know, there's a lot of things I can still do while the power's out, but good chance to do a quick video. Just wanted to talk about, I'm gonna get some pictures up. Big D's been doing a lot of photography and taking pictures of birds and whatnot. She has some really nice photos, so I really hope I can get those up. And just try to stay out of the wind here. Oh, it's windy over there. Let's go back over here. But anyways, speaking of birds, I went and picked up some bird seed. And a little wee bag of bird seed is $10 for 5 pounds. 5 to 7 are around maybe 2.5 to 3 kilograms. Now, that's pretty expensive, but I found the same brand, and I found a 50-pound bag, exact same stuff, is 22 bucks. So there you go. If you're going to be buying bird seed, make sure you shop around and get the great big bag, because let's say it was 5 pounds, $10 for that. Gee whiz, that's like 10 times. That'd be like $100 to buy the same amount, if I have my math right, if I'm correct on that. Yeah, so since the power's out, I have to be careful. I have a backup. We live in like a lower line area, so all the houses around here, everyone has sump pumps, and basically, depending on the time of year, which would be this time of year, the ground's thawing out, there's a lot of water. Basically your sump pit will probably start overflowing within a couple hours. I have a backup battery pump on mine, so I'm gonna wait and see if that kicks in, see if it works. It's worked in the past, but you know, it's good to make sure it still works. And well, I do have a generator, so I'll just wait. Once the sump starts getting up there, if my backup pump doesn't work, I'll get my generator going. In the neighborhood, I can already hear, oh, probably for sure 3 people have generators going already. And it's all for the water, I'm pretty sure, unless you're, you know, in the middle of cooking something. But it's not too cold out, so you don't have to really worry about heat. And normally I don't have to either. I keep a supply of wood. I have a stove, so that's all good. Yeah, so I don't know. Just a little update video. What else can I tell you about? I don't know. Not a whole lot was going on. Had a good Easter. Cooked a turkey and stuff like that. You know, the usual. But yeah, so I'm gonna get my bird feeder loaded up again. And I don't know. Think about pulling my generator out, I guess. I think I'll get it out and get it ready. Okay. Take care, and hopefully I'll have the pictures up, like I said, the photos that my wife has been taking, and because they're, you know, they're really nice. I think you'll enjoy them. All right, we'll talk to you guys later.